we're rocking and rolling now.
It's still being school. We're nearly there. Charlotte.
Should we do 60?
No, I don't. Let's do 60.
55?
55 is better.
56? 57?
No, leave it.
Leave it! 58? 59?
That's quite fast enough.
60?
I don't want to do 60.
What are you doing? See, I've shaved 2 minutes off increasing the speed.
I'll allow you to do 55 and that's my limit.
Do you want to drive? Then button it.
You wouldn't want me to drive. Blackpool tomorrow.
Nowhere near yet. Wait till we get on the next motorway, then you can start thinking about that. Oh yeah. Look how much the car's swinging and swaying and ducking and diving. Caravans are to a natural, it's rock steady. Rock steady crew.
Hey, you rock steady crew. What you gonna do? What you gonna do?
Don't remember that bit.
Make a jump, make a move. Hey, you rock steady crew.
Anyway, I'm getting rather tired of your truculence, questioning my professional driving capabilities. I passed my test when I was 17 in 1986. Yeah, and still can't reverse a car.
I can actually.
Oh, I don't want to drive. You turn the caravan. I don't want to do it.
You would.
But I passed my test in 1986.
Ian, you bloody panic if I pick you up from work. There's no way I'm sitting in the car with you.
I've not only qualified and passed 3 tests, you've only passed 1. And now you want me to go for another one?
I think it's been raining here, you know. Everywhere's a bit moist.
Everywhere.
Yeah, it's all moist.
Steady on.
I'm looking forward to putting the new organ on.
It isn't.
But it's on this side. It's always on that side.
When we head west, it's on that side. We're heading north at the minute, hence it being called M6 northbound.
Well, that one's east.
No, that way's east. Which one? I suppose you now question what behind us is, what direction there is.
That's got to be south.
Well, there you go. So why are you struggling?
So north, south, east, west.
Yeah. Don't you remember the old way of remembering it? Never eat shredded wheat. Clockwise.
Have we got any money?
Not until they rob the bank at Blackpool.
For the bucket. For that big rubber hand that appears in your car window.
With a suggested donation of £5.
A limousine. Last night in the tank, he was bragging about your limousine.
Yeah.
You was crying like a baby when they brought you in last night. I'm a karate man. Who's on the inside?
You burst my eardrum then. I felt the inside of my ear go like that.
Who is a practicing Wiccan?
What?
She's a Wiccan.
She's definitely a wick. I've no idea what a Wiccan is.
A pagan.
Oh, not those bloody...
She sent me a load of pumpkins.
Stonehenge warriors.
Happy Mobeen.
But then having said that, if we're true to our English heritage, we should be pagans as well.
We were only Catholic. Well, no, we're only Church of England because Henry VIII wanted to get his leg over.
I know that feeling. Put me on a promise, love. Nudge, nudge, wink, wink. You know, it makes sense.
I have a brunch to prepare for tomorrow for our guests.
Moon the band.
He'll never love you. Where did I love?
It's a cruel, cruel summer. Ah, so I think someone suggested it before.
Oh man.
Thanks to his window. Dashcam karaoke. I just don't know enough of the words to be able to do it. Tra-la-la-la-la-la-la-la-la.
Dun, dun, dun.
Now that burst me eardrums.
Loving you is easy 'cause you're beautiful. Making love to you is all I wanna do.
Tra-la-la-la-la, tra-la-la-la-la, It's not normal, this behaviour.
Don't worry
And be
about
happy.
a thing.
Every
Every
little
little thing is gonna be alright. Singing, don't worry. These seats so comfortable. I don't know, Mike. It's not the most comfortablest car.
How dare you! There's nothing wrong with this car.
It's a stupid car. Stupid uncomfortable seats.
They're not uncomfortable. I'm perfectly comfortable. It's just you and your bony little bottom.
I don't have a bony body anyway.
Get off the controls to my car. I'm driving.
You hit me.
Yeah, I beat you up with an inch of your life. I tapped your arm away from me knobs. I can't.
You don't usually.
Do you know?
That's
You're more sick than me.
that's chafed.
Chafed.
You've made it
I'll say what my mum said to me. I'll give you something to cry about in a minute. I'm still laughing at when I said to Mike, will you hold your horses? He said, yeah, what horses? We haven't got any horses. So literal.
All the caravans seem to be coming the other way.
They know something we don't.
Oh, I bet there's...
Unless they know we're coming.
Yeah. Was the last
But
weekend in Blackpool.
The
Oh,
wardens
no.
have gone round for love caravans coming, for love the caravans coming.
Do we have guests? We do have guests.
We'll have guests tomorrow.
And they're going to be delicious.
More?
You disobeyed me now. I'm noting it.
Right. You should be able to see
There
them.
it is.
It isn't.
This tower.
That
There
is,
it is.
It isn't.
What is it then?
Not the tower. You should have come to Specsavers.
I think that may have been a pylon thing.
The people that designed, well, the man that designed and built that tower must be absolutely appalled. He must be turning in his grave. They've mistaken the Blackpool Tower for a pylon. There it isn't.
Oof.
What does he look like? With a
I thought it
convertible.
was a man. I thought it was a woman.
No, it's a man with long grey hair. That's an old age crisis. That I'm an MX-5.
Is that old guy from Top Gear?
James May.
Me. Captain Slow. James May.
No.
No. Is it? It's getting windy.
Yeah, because I brought the drone.
Oh, you've got binoculars. Oh, good idea.
Caravan vlogger's not up here, is he?
No. It usually sends the bloody weather spinning into some sort of storm system.
There's the tower.
There.
I spotted it. There, look, there's the tower. There it is. There, love. I'm thinking about that class 4. I'm thinking about that class 4 now. We got it. We got it. It's probably right round the wheel arch now. I hope you've got gloves.
Seriously.
Continue towards Progress Way, A5230.
And of course you were out. Keep left.
Wear a face covering.
Wear a face covering.
I'll just unfold my moustache.
Unfold your moustache.
I have a face covering. It is my facial hair.
Okay. Use face covering to cover facial hair.
Redhead moustache.
Roundabout
And
onto
when we were
Cromwell
last
Road,
here,
then turn
it was
left.
more. Oh,
Continue for 200 yards.
we missed the turn. I did that last time.
Continue on Progress Way for half a mile.
Didn't I miss it last time? Completely missed the turn.
Right, now get it right this time.
Oh, what?
Over there.
Yeah, well, did you point it out? No, you just distracted me. For some reason, we keep missing that turn. For
Exit the
some reason.
roundabout onto
Because it's
Cromwell
not
Road,
marked in
then
any
turn
way,
left.
is it?
No, it's just got a massive sign on it saying Caravan and Motorhome Club.
No, it doesn't.
Turn left, then turn left.
Turn left and then turn left. We're here. Yeah.
You have reached your destination.
You have reached your destination. Is this the forest?
Take the next left, and your destination will be on the left.
Right, go on then.
Oh.
This one? It's not that small, is it?
No. It's up to you. What number? That's 28.
Oh, is it?
Yeah. Yeah, 30.